Hi, friends! Welcome to Sakha Kautzarasky. If you love fun learning games, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe. Today, we're playing a super cool game called Find the Missing Letter. Are you ready? Let's use our eyes, ears, and brains to solve the puzzle. Here we go. Look at this word. Underscore a T. Can you guess what it is? A, C, B. H, C, B. Did you say C? C, A, T. That spells cat. You got it. Great job. Here's the next one. B underscore L. L. Which letter is missing? A, B, E, C, I. If you picked A, you're right. B, A. L, L spells ball. You're super smart. Ready for the next one? Underscore I, G, A, D, B, B, C, P. If you said P, awesome work. P, I, G spells pig. Oink. You're amazing. Time for another puzzle. F, E, N, B, A, N, C, I, N, T. Let's try F, U, N. That spells fun. Yes, that's the right answer. Hey friends, if you're having fun, click the thumbs up and share this video with someone who loves learning too. What about this one? Underscore A, R, A, C, F, C, B. If you chose C, you're right again. C, A, R spells car. Beep, beep, way to go. Next word, D underscore G, I, B, O, C, A. Let's try O, D, dash, O, G. Spells dog. Woof, woof. You're doing great. Let's keep going. Una hanefe bea. Ese. Yes. F. U. N. Again. Another word for fun. Double points. Try this one. S-U-N. One letter is missing in the middle. A, B. U, C. Oh, let's try. U, S-U. N spells sun. You, bright star. You got it. This one's a little tricky. Underscore AKEA. B, C, C, L. Let's see. C, A, K, E. That spells cake. Yum, yum. Great guessing. Last one. Friends, make it count. Underscore ISHA. FB. WC. D. If you picked F, you're a superstar. FISH spells FISH. Swim. We did it. Wow, you found all the missing letters. You are amazing, smart, and full of fun. Thanks for watching. If you had fun today, give us a big like, subscribe, and tell us your favorite word in the comments. See you next time. Bye, friends.